Social media and technology plays a huge part in all our lives. Fuinnimh believes that it can be used in a positive way to spread our energy-saving messages. Is sprawling ceol, movie making, agus rap. Agus is gábhíle sa uchtaigh bliana gaeilge, so our one good idea is to rap as gaeilge to reduce the effects on climate change. Our research, we researched the topic of the SEAI's educational resources, and Roscommons County Council gave us lots of information. We used Green Schools resources also as we received our 7th Energy Green Flag. Minister Dennis Naughton visited our school and spoke to us all about energy and climate change.
Irish homes use about 1/4 of all energy used in the country. We surveyed the 97 families in our school using the SEAI Home Energy Audit. Only 50% of families had thermostats in their rooms, 25% left electrical appliances on when not in use, and 58% left their TVs on standby. For our 8th Green Flag on the marine environment, we researched plastic pollution. We discovered that 23% of pupils use disposable plastic bottle every day, which is almost 5,500 bottles a year. Our school energy audit revealed that we need to reduce our water consumption around the school.
Our campaign, Every Class Learned Their Rap. We put posters all over the school and did daily energy saving inspections. We sent SEAI's Home Energy Saving Tips booklet to everyone. We did battery recycling, 2-minute playground cleanups, and we sent a letter to Minister Dennis Naughton about the problem of plastic waste, suggesting a 10-cent refund on all plastic bottles, cups and aluminium cans. We went all over the school and checked the heating, checked for dripping taps, and encouraged each class to recycle.
We set up a YouTube channel for our rap. We got over 1,000 views in 5 continents. We set up a Twitter page. We sent our rap to 260 Gael schools and primary schools all over the county. We posted energy-saving tips on our school Facebook page. We had articles published in our local newspapers.
By 2030, we must recycle 65% of household waste and 75% of packaging waste. So we created a scratch coding game about recycling in 5 languages to spread our message worldwide. We performed our rap on Ross FM, our local radio station, during Seachtain na Gaeilge. We organised an action day in school and every class participated and presented an energy-saving project.
Our one good idea has reached thousands of people, proving that technology and rap can be really effective in helping people save energy at home and at school all over the world. In follow-up surveys, 100% of families found the SEI Home Energy Saving booklet useful, and 90% would consider changing to energy-saving bulbs. As you can see from our charts, everyone made a huge effort to save energy and prevent climate change. 70 kg batteries were collected. We reduced our water bills by over 30%. 90% of children are now using reusable plastic bottles. Minister Naughton wrote informing us that he will raise our concerns about plastic pollution in the European Parliament.
Gura míle maith agaibh go léir.
Well done, guys. Well done, guys. And I love most of you didn't let that phase you at all. Just because it didn't start at all, you didn't let it phase you at all. Okay, 2 minutes of questions. Do you want to come over and stand over by the microphones here? So if you're going to answer, just step up to the microphone, okay? And your 2 minutes of questions start now.
Cogardas, bhí sin go híntach fad. Bhain sibh tanmhas an rap, nar bhain. Agus bhfuil sibh agónaí a cantan. I know, but if you didn't want it, because ní ró siad aus o Corby. Now my lads are bheith aus. You were grand. The rap was very good, I have to say. I really enjoyed it. And did you find that as a result, before study and after study, that people changed their behaviour because of your work? What did they change?
My mum, I showed her the Saving Energy Tips booklet and the rap, and she said that she would turn down the heating and close more doors.
And she has been doing that since?
Yes.
Excellent.
Cocardas, Vishin Gahunta Karfad. Your rap, I have to say, your rap was so good, it was probably the first rap I ever understood. Because I can never understand the words that are said in a rap, so it was that good. Out of all that you did so much stuff, there was so much involved in your campaign. If you were to pick just one, if you were to say, right, okay, what's the one thing now? You have your campaign done, so hopefully you will continue on with it. It won't finish. So if you were asked, right, okay, pick one part of your campaign that you want to continue with, what would that be and why?
We continue with the scratch game. We keep updating it to different languages, like harder ones where there are more people populated in those countries like Russia, Korea, China. So translation into those languages so we can send it over there so that more people will get to do it because those are very highly populated countries.
Good answer. Guys, you really brought a huge amount of energy onto the stage. Really, really fantastic. Well done. And I got that you were really being champions for what you were up for around the school, and I think that's contagious. Well done. So you covered a lot of topics, recycling and energy and others. Which, you might have a lot of different answers to this, but which do you think are the most important issues that we need to tackle?
I think the Great Pacific Garbage Patch is the best thing about it. We should stop littering in the oceans because it's getting bigger and bigger.
Really great. And one quick last question. You reached thousands of people. Which was the channel that reached the most people?
Our YouTube channel.
Brilliant.
Very well.